Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a quick 5-minute juice for you this morning. I'm using 3 pieces of mint here. I've got 5 stalk of celery. I've got 1 green apple, 1 lemon because I haven't got any lime, and I've got 4 to 5 leaves of romaine lettuce with a piece of ginger. So I'll be doing this juice drink today, and I will let you know how it tastes and how I'm feeling. Cut everything up in small pieces so it'd be easier to juice, and I'll go right ahead and start my juicing process. I peeled my apples because I don't like to have my apples with the skins on because they are waxed, and I only eat apples from my tree and that's not ready yet, so I have to peel. I'm chopping in the celery. So I think we've got how many ounces in here? It's just 8 ounces in here, which is amazing. We've got 8 ounces of green juice. So